All right, for today's video, we have the Poetic case for the Google Pixel Fold. So looking at the packaging, very typical packaging from Poetic. We've seen this packaging before. Now, this is their Poetic Spartan case for the Google Pixel Fold. This color is in metallic gunmetal. There's other colors available, but let's go ahead and look at this. Everything else is going to be the same, but the color itself. Let's see what we're working with when it comes to the Spartan case from Poetic for the Google Pixel Fold. And what is this? They provided all the adhesive stickers right here. As you can see, they have the adhesive stickers with the installation guide on how to properly install the case on your Google Pixel Fold. So basically, they don't want you sliding the case. You kind of prop it from the bottom and then clip on the top, as well as the other pieces. And they have the installation strip on where to put it. They give you two of them in case you like to remove it. We won't be using those right now because we will be removing it due to other cases that I have to review. But very good looking case here. Bam. Looks actually nice with the built-in kickstand. Now you do have some memory foam style material here on the bottom, all the way in the back of this is actually cool. This is one of the first time I've seen this. It's very shock absorption basically, and is rated for military drop protection. 810G 516.6, which is good. I like to see this right here, this cushion thing. I don't think I've seen that before on a Poetic device case. But let's go ahead and remove the front protection, and we're gonna remove the film protector for the built-in screen protector. Now, this built-in screen protector is not glass. It is a plastic built-in screen protector. So what they want you to do is, you don't slide this, so you basically unfold the device, and what they're saying is you kind of start from the bottom like this and snap the case in on top like that. Boom, very nice. You do have a nice rubbery texture here on the edge of the case. Let's go ahead and do the same for the back portion. Now, this is kind of springed, as you can see. The cover for the hinge is spring loaded, but we're gonna go ahead and start from the bottom and work our way up. Bam, nice little snap, and there you have it. So while we have this unfolded, let's start here. So what I do notice is that the case here sits flush with the inner display of the Pixel Fold. Now, that's not a big issue, because if I'm you, I'm not going to be laying your Pixel Fold down like this. You'd be crazy, because these displays, the inner displays, are made of plastic and they're super delicate. So I do not recommend you do that. And that's why I don't think there is lip protection for the inner displays. But let's go ahead and fold the device, and you are going to have plenty of lip protection here up front for the cover display. You do have the built-in screen protector, and let's see how well this works. The built-in screen protector works just fine, as you can see, and the cutout there for the fingerprint reader / power button works just fine too. As you can see, there's no issues with the power button unlocking it or anything. The buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive. I do love the texture here on the edges of this case. The cutouts on the top, nice and precise. You do have a speaker and mic there on top. You also have a cutout there for the earpiece. Nothing at the bottom of the phone. Poetic branding here. Nice rubbery texture. Nice texture there for added grip. On the back, you do have a lip around the camera module there, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down or on its back on a flat surface, you are going to be protected because you do have lip protection here, as I mentioned, all the way around the cover display and the camera module on the back. But also on the back, you do have a Poetic stamp right there, logo right smack down in the middle of the built-in kickstand, which I absolutely love. So you can lay your phone like that, watch some movies, or unfold the device and which way are we going to go? That way. I'm still trying to figure out which way these kickstands work. So it's going to work this way, the long way. I think that is the only way you can do the kickstand. So you do have, when it's unfolded, turn your device the long way, and then you can sit back and watch some YouTube videos or whatever. Or when you have the device folded, you can just prop it and either watch videos on the cover display, or you can also, what I like about this, if you have it in like laptop mode and you're watching videos like that, the outer case here is protecting the cover display from being scratched, because I do see a lot of people actually just lay their phone down like that and you're basically on the flat side of the device, but it is the cover display and you're actually scratching it. Now this does not add too much bulk to the actual Pixel Fold, which I kind of like. The cover is not too thick here. I've seen other hinge covers that are a little bit thicker. This one actually not too thick. Looks nice and feels good, nice in hand. Does not add more weight to it. It feels sturdy, looks good, but does it wirelessly charge through the case? And voila, it absolutely wirelessly charges to the case with ease. No issues with that. So there you have it, guys. This is the Poetic Spartan case for the Google Pixel Fold. A link will be in the description if you want to go ahead and pick up this beauty of case. It's available in multiple colors, but this is the metallic gun color here. Looks pretty awesome. A lot of grip, a lot of protection for your Google Pixel Fold. Strongly recommend getting a case for your Pixel Fold. You're crazy if you rock your Pixel Fold without a case. Link will be in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding the Spartan case, please leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.